Hey guys.
You fill your belly with your chips already.
Yeah, so we made it to Bluefields. Mommy is mounting the umbrella under the tree, and I said to her, wait till we get to the beach, and then we sink it in the sand, because right now it's not working. But she's determined to
You can't
have it
push it
rooted and grounded
in the ground.
in the soil.
Everybody thinks it's impossible.
It's not impossible, but it will be easier on the beach. Anyways, kudos to you for your determination. Oh yeah guys, we got some salad too. From KFC. Who knew that KFC sells salad? I didn't. Well then again, I go once a year, so I wouldn't know.
Yeah, man, no. I feel like you're gonna put this on YouTube.
I might not. Just for the archives. But it might be on it, who knows. So yeah, we're having a little picnic with our darling cousin Ebony. This is all for you. So we hope that you enjoy.
This is for the family.
We hope that you enjoy.
This is for the family.
It is. Why?
Carry the snacks.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
So guys, rain came down suddenly and we cannot get the umbrella closed. Yeah, it's a serious occasion and we're having difficulties.
And the umbrella can't go in the car, like?
Well, it's obvious that that little part right there is blocking it.
Give me grace.
Are you helping or recording? Both.
Something to do with this. Abby?
She going back to the car.
Oh, the umbrella down there.
We're gonna have to walk with it like this to Mandeville.
You must be mad. You're not leaving the umbrella.
Well, bring it this way still.
I can't close it. I don't know what went wrong.
What, Mandy? It's a video worthy moment. That's my job as a YouTuber.
So much to bed?
Catch these moments.
$50 to bed? To bed. To use the thing. Ask one of the girls then.
It's 100, yeah.
See if you can stick them. And do a video. Put it down.
1 sec.
No,
We're gonna try and use the card. What are we trying to get out again?
You see why it's scratching? Because this is tight. It needs to be slackened. This needs to be slackened. That's why it's scratching. You're right.
Oh, gosh.
Look like this not functioning as it's supposed to.
Yeah, it's not.
So it's the screw in it. Oh my god.
Guys, we're almost there.
Take a good thing, mate. Jesus. Yes, sir. It's not loosening. Oh God. Me and Jesus got the whole thing going.
All right, there we go.